So welcome back to Bluudys Garage. This time I'm doing a video on the Focus. Yay! Loads of you have been asking for them because I've been busy with the Supra. So today we're going to make our Focus louder. I dropped my clamps. But I have this, which is a middle section delete. And that's what we're going to be fitting. I currently just jacked the car up in the air so I can have a look underneath to see where I need to cut, etc. It's very filthy, yes. But yes, this is going to go on there and it's going to make lots of nice noises. Lots of nice noises. I suppose I best do a bit of a before video so we could do an after video. So I'll set my camera up on stand and I give it a little bit of an idle and a little bit of a rev. Not really much of a noise. So I'm underneath the car, I'm looking at that, because it's in the middle of the car, I'm like, that's a cat, that's not what I'm cutting out. So then I look further back and further back and further back and you can just see another box just there, which must be the middle box, even though it's near the back of the car, because the back box is actually under the back just there. So, my car is not high enough at the moment, so I'm going to have to jack it up higher, because I'm going to have to get the angle grinder in, so I can cut that pipe. But yes, that's the box that we're taking out today. I just need to jack this car higher. So this is the box in question. It's really awkward to film underneath the car. I'm trying to bring the pipe to show you. It goes somewhere like that. So I'm going to have to mark out where I need to cut. Like somewhere here and somewhere just on that corner that comes out. Get my angle grinder in and brum, brum, straight off. Right, it sounds like an air gun. Straight off and then we can slot this one in because it slots on because it's slightly bigger than that pipe. So wicked, that is the job for today. And I'm going to get my angle grinder set up and mark out where I need to cut. So I've been underneath the car and marked where I need to cut, which I'll show you shortly. I have my safety goggles, which are really uncomfortable. I have my hood, because I have no air defenders, so I have my hood, which is never good, but you know, I have my hood. I have some gloves to try and protect my hands from all the sparks. And then I've got my very unsafe angle grinder. Mainly it's unsafe because it's old, but you know, we're going to do well. We'll do brilliantly at this, I'm sure. So hopefully now on the screen you can see roughly a faint mark where I need to cut. The new pipe comes to here, so I'm going to chop it to there, then I can slide it in, etc, and there shouldn't be any leaks. And then I have marked this side as well, just there. I'm going to cut that side first because it's got the bracket behind it which is still going to hold it up out the way, so I can cut through the pipe, it's still going to stay there hopefully, and then I can cut through this one second. So that's the plan. There's the tools. I'm goggled up, I'm about to put my gloves on. I'm going to set this up on the tripod and then we'll see how we get on. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but I need two hands for sure on my angle grinder, so we shall see. I'll be honest with you, oh, that's not comfortable, mate. That's not what I'm being honest about. That was a pig and a half. I've only done one side. My angle grinder's not big enough to go all the way through, and the blade on my junior hacksaw is blunt. So I had to keep bodging the exhaust. As you can see, what a freaking nightmare that was. Sound like I'm a skilled tradesman, can't you? At the end of the day, this is where the cut is, so once I took this box out, I'll clean that up and it'll be like a nice round pipe. These bits here is on this side, the bit that I didn't need. Everything that side is okay. This is now cut off. As you can see, it's wobbling. I just need to do this one now. I'm hoping I can do more with this one because there's more room each side of the pipe to get the angle grinder in. So I'm hoping this one is a lot easier. But, you know, I'll probably just jinx myself now, so who freaking knows. But I'll show you when I've done this one as well. I hate being under cards. I did it in one pass. Look, nice and neat. I had to snap back 4mm. I just need to pull this out of its bracket and we're out. I just need to watch I don't freaking jag my face from how sharp this freaking metal is. And then I need to tidy up this piece of pipe. So apparently moving this little box and adding that pipe in will make my car do more pops and bangs with the standard exhaust. So after butchering it, you know, I've taken it off, I've cleaned up the ends on the car. I just need to take this off of there now, put it onto that one and put it back on the car and put that on the car. Some clamps which I dropped earlier, just still on the floor, and that's what's going to hold it on. So that's what I'm going to put on now. So, upside down now. It's a really tight fit into the pipes, so I don't think I need an exhaust paste. You don't have to use exhaust paste on most things, use them on like gaskets, not normally on sliding joints. I was just going to be like extra careful. This is weird because I'm upside down. So I'm just going to put the clamps on. And then fire it up. Fire it up! So these are our clamps. I'm going to undo them, slide them on, then put them that way so the nuts are facing to the back and the nuts on that one will face to the side so they're not hanging down. Because I don't know how low they're going to sit. I don't want to make the under any lower, I don't want to knock them. So I'm just going to do that now. I should show you when it's done. So that's it. That one's clamped and that one's clamped. It's time to fire up. See what she sounds like.
That is naughty. Come on. Oh, I had pops on the other one. Pop pop. See if we get another pop pop. Pop pop, pop pop pop. Love it. Like a little kid. Pop.
I've now been driving the Focus a week with the exhaust done. It sounds awesome. So there we are. That's probably one of the best 20 quids I've ever spent on the Focus, or on any car to be honest. It pops, it bangs and it sounds wicked. I hope you've managed to hear it on the footage, because I don't know yet because I haven't made the video. But fingers crossed you can hear it and it sounds amazing. So I'm rounding this video up now. Don't forget to check out the website and the auto parts shop for the bits that I'm selling. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and also I'm on the lookout for another project. So hopefully
soon you'll see another car. And when I say project, I mean like we're doing a proper project with lots of mods. I know what I want. I've seen a couple. I haven't got one yet, but it'll not be long and we'll have another proper project that we can do, and we can film lots of things on it and have lots of fun. So as always, I will see you in another video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bluedy out.